Hello, students. This video is designed to show you how to use the Multi-Academic Plan or MAP worksheets. For this example, we're going to use a student profile with the goal of an Associate in Science degree, or AS degree, and a major in animation. One thing you'll want to make sure of when you're looking at your worksheet is that the major and program goal are correct. The major and program goal you see listed at the top of the screen will correlate with the checklist below. If the major or program is not correct in your profile, you can always change the major yourself under the Student tab of the portal, or have a counselor or advisor help you change your major. At the top of the worksheet, you will see a whole bunch of useful information including your name, student ID number, major, program goal, and GPA information. Next, you can see that we are on the Academic tab, which means the information you will see is related to the current academic goal. If you would like to see how close you are to other certificates or associate degrees, you can use the What If tab. For now, we're going to continue looking at the current academic goal, which is an AS degree in animation. The next area gives you a summary of the requirements that have been met for this goal. You can see this degree requires 60 units, and 58.8 have been finished. This student also meets the 2.0 GPA requirement so far. Whenever you see a green check mark, it means that the requirement has been met. Whenever you see a red circle, that means the requirement has not yet been met. You can see the first two requirements are met, and the next three are still needed. Next, you will see each of the 5 requirements from above are broken down into their own sections, and you can see what is done and what is still needed. The physical well-being and reading requirement are met. This student needs to take one of these math classes to meet the math requirement. Next is the local associate degree general education pattern, also called GE. So area A is not complete yet. The student still needs a communication class. The courses you can choose from are right here. As we scroll down, you can see the student has completed most of the other GE courses. The student does still need an Area E course in the Lifelong Understanding Self-Development section. Something interesting about the student's profile is that they have courses from another college, and these classes are used to meet some of these requirements. You can see that Sociology 10 at Chaffey College was used to meet this requirement. If you have classes from another college, please be aware this doesn't happen automatically. You need to request an evaluation of your transcripts. It is also possible that even after you have your transcripts evaluated, you could have a course that meets a requirement from another college, and it may not show up on this system. So it is very important to meet with a counselor or advisor to see how your courses from other colleges can be used. The next section is major courses. Again, it's important to make sure the major listed in MAP is the one you want to pursue so you have the right list of classes for your goal. As you may remember, if the major or program is not correct in your profile, you can always update the major yourself under the Student tab of the portal, or have a counselor or advisor help you change your major. As you can see, this student is majoring in animation and has quite a few major courses left to complete. The remaining courses don't all need to be taken in the same semester. A student can spread out classes in the way that best works in their life. Once all the requirements are completed, the student will have achieved this associate degree. You can apply for your certificate or degree up to 1 semester before actually completing your last courses. You can do this under the Student tab in the portal. Now, if you have met with a counselor or advisor and created an educational plan together, you can find the Ed Plan by clicking on the Plans tab. This is where you can find a list of all the plans that have ever been made for you. If you have more than one plan listed here, you will likely want to click on the most recent plan, so check the date it was created. This student has one plan. We can view it by clicking on this link. Let's look at this student's plan. We can see that all the remaining courses that this student needs are listed on this plan. If the student follows the plan, their degree will be done in spring 2023. If you still need a plan, please make an appointment with a counselor or advisor right away so we can help you create one. Having a plan will make it much easier for you to see what classes you should take and how long it will take for you to complete your goal. I hope you found this helpful. If you would like to see more examples, check out our other videos which have helpful information on how to best use this MAP program and learning about completing associate degree and transfer requirements. Bye for now.